Welcome to Millennium Auto Sales. My name is Yuri Bennett, and here today I'm going to talk to you about the spare tire and also the tire repair kit. So in older models you will find spare tires, and majority of us know how to use a spare tire, right? Yes and no. Really and truly, the spare tire is actually meant for temporary use or short distance only. Reason being, some of the manufacturers actually label some of the spare tires temporary use only. Only use when you realize you have a flat, you take off the flat, use the spare and go to the closest tire place to get your tire fixed. That's really the main purpose of a spare tire. Due to research, majority of the people are misusing the spare tire. So instead of using the spare tire, they're using the tire repair kit. And it comes with benefits. It repairs the tire quicker, so you can go to the closest tire place without you changing or jacking up the vehicle. That saves a lot of time, and time is essential. And the second reason for the tire repair kit, it is very fuel efficient. The lighter the vehicle is, the less fuel it burns, so you get a greater gas mileage along your journey.